Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you what is vendor mapping feature on TranZact. So first of all, let us go to inventory module. On your left hand side, you will see inventory module option. Please click on this now. Once you will come in inventory module, in more advanced action on your right hand side, very top corner, we have provided a vendor mapping feature. So what is this and how it can be used? So vendor mapping feature is basically used. Suppose if you do have one item which you are selling to multiple counterparties with different price. So each and every time remembering the price is difficult. So what you can do, Transact provides you a feature where you can go ahead and just create a master that to this party, this item will go in this price. So and accordingly, while creating document, the price defined will get fetched into document. So first of all, you need to download the bulk entries template format here, and after downloading it, you need to import entries from here, and accordingly it will get updated. So please check, here are few of the items which I have went ahead and updated. You can do the same for payment terms mapping. For multiple vendors, you can define multiple payment terms, and accordingly while creating the document, it will get fetched into document, so you don't need to enter it manually again and again. I hope this video will be helpful to you in exactly how vendor mapping helps you. Have a good day ahead.